guys, it is Nate here from Real Fishing TV, and I'm back here and I'm doing another YouTube video. I have not done one in a while, and I thought, you know what, I should really start getting back at this again, because you know what, I love fishing, I love making YouTube videos, and I've still gone fishing plenty of times since my last YouTube video, but I have not uploaded any of them, unfortunately. But today that's going to change. Seeing where my last video was, we're back here at the Urban Creek, and my goal is to catch a couple pike and maybe a trout or two. The other day I was here and I saw a dead brown just chilling there. It looked like somebody caught it. It was pretty old and musty though, so yeah. But yeah, let's get right to it and hook some fish, preferably some toothy ones. Alright guys, let's get to it. So for what I'm using right now, I'm just using a little Panther Martin just to start off with. Alright, let's get it. I went fishing the other day, I didn't catch anything. I just must have bad luck or something, but I don't know. I haven't had too much luck recently, just a couple pike from here, and that's about it. And I thought, well, you know what, I'm trying to catch something, so why not go over to this place? I either ran into something or had something. Tap it right there. Chances are you ran into something, because I know there's a bunch of snags here. But you never know. Really going to be doing a lot of walking today because I'm trying to find where they are, because they like to hide up, or not hide, but hang out all up and down the stretch around here. So I'm going to go walk around and see what mobility can do for me. See if he can stop being lazy and gets me somewhere in life. Also, one thing I didn't mention, the carp may or may not be spawning right now. It's about this time of year when they spawn, but I'm not sure. I know they're spawning up in the other river near me, but that's the other river. This one's much smaller. And this one's not been doing that great this year for some reason. I have no idea why. Water levels are just insanely low today. Or not just today, but just, I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't even know why I'm talking. But not just today. As you can see, I don't know if you can, but there's a large color contrast between there and there, indicating the water level is dummy low. Won't stop me from trying to hook a good old good one. Got one. Oh. Got one. It's not that big though. We're gonna make our way over to my net. Always better for this river, I guess. Here I'm gonna loosen the drag, but still keep tension. Alright, got the net. I don't know if he had it at first because he hit it real weird. It's kind of confusing me. Here. Oh, nope. You ain't going nowhere. Got him. And the lure came out too. Perfect. Alright, guys. Here she is. This little Timmy guy back in the water. Not a bad pike. There he goes. Just chilling. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. Alright. Not a bad way to start our day. I'm gonna keep her moving though. It's one fish for the book so far. If they call it a day, I'd be happy if I called it with, I'd say 3 maybe. 3 decently sized pike. I'd be okay with that, honestly. You know, I'd prefer a brown though. Brown or a rainbow, but I'll take anything at this point. Had to make sure I was recording. Alright, here we are at the next spot. See if we can't get another one or 4 or 5 or 6. Don't know if that could have been a hit or that could have been the snaggy bottom. I know there's a pretty snaggy bottom here. Turn up the drag a little bit because that's got to happen soon. Right down. There we go. I'm bringing the net with me because I don't trust my fish handling skills. Not really that smart. I'm smart, just not well equipped for much, ever. I got a pliers, I think, so that should help me out in case I need them. Ooh. I just got snapped off. I just got snapped off, boys. Whatever that was hungry. Catch you when I put something else on, I guess.